Oh yeah. Hello and welcome back to the vlog, where today we say goodbye to the stock ride height, stock handling, and let's face it, superior stock ride comfort by installing these. In this lovely pile of boxes are a set of Pro Kit springs by Eibach and a set of B8 shock absorbers from Bilstein. Oh, and also some polyurethane bushings for the top front control arms because those are gone.
Danes začenja en najbolj priljubljenih filmskih festivalov. V tem
And here is the front fully assembled. Also, there you can see the new poly bushings that will hopefully remove all the annoying vibrations. And here's the rear. Unlike in the front, the spring and shock are separate. I have no idea why. Maybe someone more knowledgeable can explain it down in the comments. And voila! Tires on and it's ready for the first test ride. Well, everything seems to be okay. And now for just a final ride to see if everything is behaving as it should. If not, it'll go back in for another go, but these guys know what they're doing, so I doubt it. Oh, hello, Panda. And jump cut to my local tire shop for the final phase of this suspension mod, which is these guys. 15mm on the left, which are going on the front, and 20mm on the right, that will go in the back wheels. Now, wherever on the internet you look, there will always be heated debates about whether spaces are good or not. But the truth of the matter is, if you just make sure that they are made properly and from high-grade materials, and you get new proper length bolts or studs to work done correctly, there will be no issue at all. Basically, don't cheap out. Now I'm going to let these guys finish the job, and then we'll go outside and have a proper look at her. And there she is. I'm actually really pleased with how well that turned out. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some driving to do. See you next time.